Good morning, everyone. I am going to start with some calendar time. So today is Thursday, April. I'm going to go straight down, and my next number needs to be turned over. It's the 16th, 2020. Yesterday was the 15th. That means tomorrow will be what comes after 16. 17th. Tomorrow will be the 17th. Our day of the week is Thursday. Thursday. All of our days of the week have the word day at the very end. Our month, April. Remember, we have 12 months in a year. And our month is spelled April. Now, my essential question for today is, what is your favorite food? My favorite food is probably chicken casserole. I love any type of casseroles. They're just delicious. They're so yummy. Okay, let's talk about some math today. We're going to be talking about some new words. We have words like next to, beside, above, below, in front of, and behind. And I'm going to be going over some of these words today. So I have my my rectangular prism right here. And I'm going to be using this cube to show you what each of these words mean. Okay, our first word, let me get all these cards together. Okay, our first word is going to be next to. And really, these two are like the same. Next to and beside are almost the same. So I have my rectangular prism right here. And to show next to is like this. That blue cube is next to the rectangular prism next to. It could also be over here too. It's next to this prism. All right, let's do our next word. Let's go over our next word. So we already did this. I'm going to put it right here since we know we've done this. Our next word is above. Above. Let's take my cube and I'm going to show you how it would look if this cube was above the rectangular prism. So this cube is above. Let me move it down a little bit so you can see above. So it's up here. Let's move our word above to our pile that we've done. Well, okay. Our next word is below. Below. B-E-L-O-W. Below. Now I gotta prop my phone up on me so I can show you. Actually, you know what? I might just put this cube right here and then pick up the rectangular prism. So the rectangular prism, the blue cube is below the rectangular prism. Below. See how they're different? The cube was above and now the cube is below. Our next word is in front of, and I already have my cube in front of my rectangular prism. Look. It is in front of the rectangular prism. In front. Our next word is behind. If we have in front, we have to have something behind the rectangular prism. So I'm going to move my cube behind the rectangular prism. Behind. See how that is behind. In front is right here, and behind is right here. Behind. Okay, what I want you to do is, this is going to be kind of easy, I think. I want you to find an object, any object you want. Say if it was your drink, just put your drink on the table, and I want you to show me with another object, say a pencil or something. Show me what it would look like if that object was behind your drink. So put that pencil behind your drink. And I want to see if you guys know what each word means, behind. And I want you to label it for me. So say behind. And you might need some help because you might need some help with the spelling, behind. B-E-H-I-N-D. And also for homework, we have 2 pages. You do not have to do both of these pages today. Let me show you. We have page P213, and it's lesson 10.8. We also have page 215, and it's lesson 10.9. Now, like I said, you do not have to do both of these pages today. But on this page, just like with this other lesson, on this page, what you're supposed to do is mark an X on the object shaped like a cylinder that is next to the object shaped like a sphere. And this also goes over some of those 3D shapes that we've learned. So if you need some help with that, go back to my lesson when I talked about 3D shapes, and that will help you figure out what those shapes are. So it's just going to tell you to circle some things that are beside, next to, above, below, in front of, behind, stuff like that. On this page, it does the same thing. It says mark an X on the object shaped like a cylinder that is behind the object shaped like a cone. So it also goes over those 3D shapes that we've learned. So like I said, go back to that video if you're having some trouble with those shapes. All right, guys, I hope you have a great day today, and I cannot wait to do my next science lesson. I'm super excited. I'll see you tomorrow, or actually I'll see you today. Don't forget, we have our meeting at 2 o'clock, and I want to see all those smiling faces today. Bye.